Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new topic, dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number and check your division. Okay, are you ready for the class? Okay, all of you take your text, page number 79. Take your text and note. Okay, are you ready for the class? Okay, our first topic is dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay, here one example for you. Example 1, divide. Example 1, divide 423 divided by 2. Firstly, all of you write the heading dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number and write the example divide 423 divided by 2. Right? Okay. Okay. All of you listen here. Don't write it. All of you listen here. Firstly, all of you listen here. 400. How to solve this? How to solve? 423 divided by 2. 423 divided by 2. Okay. Firstly, we take 4. How many times in 2 in 4? How many times? 1 to 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 times. Only 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Right? 2 is in the ones place. Why 2 is here? Then our next step is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. Okay, next step, subtract. 4 minus 4, 0, 0, then, bring down the next number. Here next number is, okay, next number is 2. Okay, then, next, okay, 2 divided by 2, how many times in 2 into? How many times? Okay, 1 time, 1 into 2, 2, 1 time, 1, 2, 2, right, 2 is here, then again, okay, we subtract, 2 minus 2, 0, and next step, okay, good. Okay, bring down 3 from here. Then, write 3 is here. 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. How many times? 2 in 3. How many times? 1 time. 1 to 2. 1 time. 1 into 2. 2. Then, next step. Okay, subtract 3 minus 2, 1. Division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Write it. I will explain one more time. Okay. 423 divided by 2. Firstly, we take 4. 4 divided by 2. We get the answer. We got 2. 1 to 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Write 2 is here. 2 2s are 4. Write 4 is here. Then subtract 4 minus 4, 0. Then bring down the next number. Next number is 2. Write 2 is here. Then how many times in 2 into? 1 time. 1 into 2, 2. Then subtract 2 minus 2, 0. Then bring down the next number. Next number is 3. Write 3 is here. Then how many times into? 1 time. 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2. Write 2 is here. 3 minus 2. You get the answer 3. Okay. Firstly, we 423 divided by 2 എന്നുള്ളതിന് 4 എടുത്തു. 4ൽ എത്ര ടൈംസ് ഉണ്ട് 2? 2 ടൈംസ് ആണ്. 2 നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എഴുതി. 2 into 2 4. നമ്മൾ 4 ഇവിടെ എഴുതി. 4 minus 4 0 ആൻസർ കിട്ടി. 0യെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ താഴേക്ക് ഇറക്കി എഴുതി. 2 ഹൗ മെനി ടൈംസ് ഇൻ 2 into? എത്ര ടൈംസ് ഉണ്ട് 2? 2 ടൈംസ് 1 ടൈം ഉള്ളൂ. 1 എഴുതി. 1 into 2 2. Then subtract ചെയ്തു. Then 2 minus 2 we got the answer 0. Then next number, bring down to the next number. Next number ഉള്ളതും കൊണ്ട് താഴേക്ക് ഇറക്കി എഴുതി 3. Then 3 divided by 2 how many times? Only 1 time. Write 1 is here. 1 ഇവിടെ എഴുതി. 1 into 2. Then വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. 1 into 1 1 into 2 1 into 2 2. Write 2 is here. 3യുടെ തൊട്ട് താഴെയായിട്ട് 2 എഴുതി. Then subtract 3 minus 2. നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടി 1 എന്ന് അല്ലേ. Here 423 is the quotient. Sorry, 423 is the dividend. 2 is the divisor. 211 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Okay, write it. Write. Did you finish? Okay. Next. Next one. Check your division. Check your division. Okay. Write the heading. Check your division. Okay. One example for you. Example 1. Divide 6 by 2. Divide 6 by 2. Write example 1. Divide 6 by divide 6 by 2. How to solve this? How to solve? Okay. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. How many times in 2 in 6? 3 2s are 6. 3 times 3 into 2 6. Okay. Here dividend is 6, divisor is 2, 3 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. What? This is the quotient. 6 is the dividend. 2 is the divisor. 0 is the remainder. Okay. How to check? How to check? Okay. Check our division. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. Here dividend is here dividend is 6. 6 equal to quotient is 3. 3 into divisor is 2 plus remainder is 0. Okay, here 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. This answer is correct. Okay. Okay. Answer is dividend equal to എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കോഷ്യന്റും ഡിവൈസറും ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്തിട്ട് കോഷ്യന്റും ഡിവൈസറും ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ റിമൈൻഡർ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലേ. 3 into 2 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 0 6. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then another example 2. Divide 17 by 2. 2. Divided by 2. Okay. Here 1 divided by 2 is not possible. Okay, we take 17. How many times 2 in 17? In 2's table. 8 into 2, 16, 9 into 2, 18. We take 8. How many times? 8 times. Right, 8 is here. 8 into 2, 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16. Okay. Then 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, 0. Sorry, 7 minus 6, 1 and 1 minus 1, 0. 1 is the remainder. I will explain one more time. 17 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 is not possible. We take 17. Then 17 divided by 2. How many times in 2 in 17? In the table of 2's table, 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. How many times? 8 times. Okay. We write 8 is here. 8 into 2. 8 2s are? 8 2s are 16. We write 16 is here. Then subtract 17 minus 16. We get the answer 1. Okay. Here 17 is the dividend. This is the divisor. This is the quotient. And this is the remainder. Okay. How to check? How to check our answer? Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here dividend is 17 and quotient is 8 and divisor is 2 and remainder is 1. We get the answer 2 into 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay. 17 is the dividend. Okay. 8 is the quotient. Quotient into divisor. Divisor is 2. Divisor is 2 plus 1 is the remainder. Okay. 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then exercise, then mental maths. That is your homework. Exercise 1.6. I will, in exercise 1.6, so many questions are there. I will explain 1 or 2 questions remains are your homework. Okay. Exercise 1.6. 1.6. Divide and check your division. Divide and check your division. First one, 39 divided by 2. 39 divided by 2. Okay. How to solve? Divide and check your division. How to solve? 39 divided by 2. How many times 2 in 3? How many times in 2? 1 time. 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2. Then minus. Subtract. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1. 3 minus 2. 1. Then 1 divided by 2. It is not possible. Okay, then next number. Next number is 9. Bring down the next number. Okay, 19. Then how many times in 2 in 19? 9 in 2's table. 9 2's are 18. How many times? 9 times. Right, 9 is here. 9 into 2. 9 into 2. 18. Okay. Then subtract. 9 minus 8. 19 minus 18. 1. Okay. Here remainder is 1. Dividend is 39. Divisor is 2. 19 is the quotient. Okay. Then how to check our answer? Okay. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. Here quotient is 19. 19 into divisor is 2. 19 into 2. 19 into 2. 18. 38. Okay. Plus remainder is here 1. Okay. 19 into 2. 19 into 2. 19 into 2. 38. 38 plus 1. 39. Okay. 39 is the dividend. 39 is the dividend. Okay. Write it. Write it. Okay, did you finish? Okay, our next question is second one B. 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. How to solve? (25) divided by 2. How many times in 2 into? 1 time. 1 into 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Then subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. Then bring down the next number. Next number is 5. How many times 2 in 5? 2 2s are? How many times? 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Okay, we take 2. 2 times. Right, 2 is here. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, I will explain one more time. 25 divided by 2. How many times? Firstly, we take 2 is here. 2 divided by 2. It is possible. 2 divided by 2. How many times into? 1 time. Right, 1 is here. 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2. Right, 2 is here. Then 2 minus 2. 0. Then the next number is 5. Bring down the next number. Next number is 5. Then 5 divided by 2. How many times in 2? In 5. 2 times. Right, 2 is here. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 4. Right, 4 is here. Then subtract 5 minus 4. 1. 1 is the remainder and 2 is the divisor. 25 is the dividend and 12 is the quotient. Okay. Check your answer. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, here quotient is 12. 12 into divisor is 2. Okay, 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 24 plus 1, 25. Okay. Okay. Write it. This is the correct answer. Okay. Because dividend is 25. Okay. The answer is 25. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. We got 25 is here. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Dear students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.